Hey everyone, you like that video? That was Buddy when he was little. I know they're not the best quality because I can't get them directly from the source, but... And Buddy, this is Buddy now. I think it was Mythbusters that was on, so credit to Mythbusters for the background music. So yeah, I love editing. Yeah, editing is awesome. Yeah, whatever. I'm crazy. They're on the phone, and so I love when I get random emails from on my phone. I only get emails because my phone doesn't accept them. I need to. I want them. It tweets. I'm pretty sure I don't care. I don't. Like I said, I don't care. Just in case. Yeah. La 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 la. Every day. I screwed up. Okay. Now I go up here and do the same thing. Oh, they should stay on here. But yeah, I'm watching. I'm making sure. Hey, I got a Twitter. It's Crystal DV. No, it's Crystal BH Charlton. This is Crystal DV Charlton, by the way. Woohoo! I'm Crystal with Crystal DV Charlton. But yeah, BH, Crystal BH, and then you'll see just a picture of me because it was before I got bit. Don't complain. My mom texted me, and I didn't get the text saying, "Are you dead or alive?" And then she calls me saying, "Are you dead or alive?" I'm like, "I'm dead." It's her way of saying that we're still alive. It's funny. So. My iPad's acting up. You're strange, iPad. Got 38 followers, which is awesome. I love it when I have followers. The beginning says, when you go to my profile, it says, wants to act and film for life with special effects and wants to have fun and be funny. I believe in Jesus Christ. I'm crazy, but I like being crazy anyways. I don't have much to say right now, but I want it to be a 10-minute vlog. So, like my erasers. Like my Bluetooth, I know I've thrown it so many times. Hello? Yeah? What's up? Yep. Okay. We got him. Got glue. Got an iPad. My computer says it's 12, but it's 11. It really is 11 o'clock. But my computer's not right. I fixed it multiple times, but it's reluctant to change. So I just give up. Crazy. I'm debating whether to start watching Breaking Bad or just continue to watch Doctor Who, which I've seen twice. I like the newer version. The graphics are a lot better than back then. I mean it. It's a lot more realistic. Because I finished the Lion game last night. That's awesome. Seven minutes. I think that's long enough. Okay. If I do any more vlogs, yay, but I don't know. Bye.